What if I told you that you could create an intense plasma reaction using just CO₂ nanotubes in a microwave oven? Sounds impossible, right? But what happened in this experiment will shock you. This isn't just science. This could be the future of limitless energy. Plasma, often called the fourth state of matter, is one of the most powerful forces in the universe. It fuels the sun, drives nuclear fusion, and now scientists believe it could be harnessed for revolutionary energy production. But what if we told you that an intense plasma reaction could be created in a simple microwave oven using carbon dioxide nanotubes? The experiment was simple, yet incredibly dangerous. Scientists coated a small glass dish with a thin layer of CO₂ nanotubes, a revolutionary material capable of extreme energy conduction. When exposed to high-frequency microwaves, something unexpected happened. The microwave was turned on. At first, nothing happened. But then, a blinding burst of violet-blue plasma erupted inside the chamber. The nanotubes acted as an energy amplifier, absorbing microwave radiation and creating a self-sustaining plasma field. But here's where things got terrifying. The plasma didn't dissipate as expected. Instead, it stabilized, defying known physics. It clung to the inner walls of the microwave as if it had a mind of its own. What was happening? Could the CO₂ nanotubes be amplifying energy beyond our understanding? Experts now believe this plasma reaction could be the key to an entirely new energy source. Could this be an early form of self-sustaining fusion? Or had we just discovered a method to trap plasma indefinitely? But not everyone is excited about this discovery. Plasma at this intensity could be catastrophic if it spirals out of control. Uncontained plasma could vaporize materials, disrupt electromagnetic fields, and even lead to uncontrolled chain reactions. Some researchers now fear we've created something far more powerful than we can handle. The researchers immediately shut off the microwave, but the plasma didn't disappear. Instead, it slowly faded, only to reignite on its own moments later. Could we have just discovered a method for perpetual plasma energy? Or had we accidentally created something we couldn't control? This experiment could change everything we know about energy. But should we continue down this path? Could this plasma breakthrough revolutionize clean energy or become a weapon of unimaginable destruction? The researchers immediately shut off the microwave. But then, the plasma flickered back to life. No external energy source. No microwave waves, just pure, unexplainable plasma energy, reigniting on its own. Had they just discovered something that could rewrite the laws of physics? If this plasma reaction can be controlled, we could be looking at the end of fossil fuels. Infinite energy, no pollution, no limitations. But are we truly ready for this power? Or are we playing with forces far beyond our understanding? This experiment could change everything we know about energy. But should we continue down this path? Could this plasma breakthrough revolutionize clean energy or become a weapon of unimaginable destruction? Tell us what you think in the comments. And if you love mind-blowing science, like, subscribe, and follow for more.